Hey YouTube, before I do anything, I need to tell you that my camera might shut off or let me not make a video, because that was what it did, so I had to upload some photos, so hopefully it works. But I decided that I was going to make this video for some people, because I guess crickets are getting too expensive, and I need to start breeding them, so I'm making a breeding tub. But before I show you, if you see that little breeding container right there, there's a baby goldfish I'm pet sitting for 3 weeks for my sister's friend, so that's fun, I guess. But I'm creating a tub. I'm gonna hurry up and go through this so this camera won't shut off or whatever. But we have egg cartons, whatever I get from the pet shop when I get crickets food, the water pads or cosmetic pads I get from Big Lots for $1, and like a tub kinda with soil. So what you do first, I'm going to be doing it in here. And I bought 3 dozen crickets yesterday, and I already had 1 dozen. So that's maybe like 42. I don't know my math. But what you do is get a basic thing. I got a Ziploc bowl thing. Put soil in it. Then what you do is get your spray bottle, spray it down because it needs to be moist, really moist. And then you create like a little paper ladder, and so they can walk up in there and get your food and egg cartons, and then your crickets. Then you're about done. After 2 days, you take out, like 3 days, you take out the crickets. Then I'm thinking I might keep this for the crickets, and keep this for the babies, but I don't know. I might just do the babies right here, so it's easier. What you do is put these, put them in here, but they said it needs to be somewhere warm so it can hatch easily. So, of course, I live in Phoenix, Arizona, so it gets up in the hundreds, so it's really warm. And I just keep them outside. But you still have to spray them down after they're out of there. So, and after maybe in like a week, they should hatch and they should be little pinheads. And then after like 6 or 4 weeks, they should be adults. So I might, if I do a lot of these, I might start selling them on Craigslist. And I know crickets can get expensive, so I want to help some people out. And yeah, these are just for my animals. These are really only for the turtle and the leopard gecko. Turtle, leopard gecko. But that's about it. If you guys have any questions or you want me to make another video, request one or whatever, I'm fine doing that. I have time on my hands. It's no big deal. But subscribe in the subscribe box. I'm pretty sure it's like right there. Comment 5 stars right there. And yeah, and I'll do the same. If you subscribe, I subscribe back to you. But this is ASASAGHGHH saying bye for today.